Going to the video is from Spice IG Live. If you'd like to see the video in its entirety, it's on Spice IG just the same. It's because she played the music. I had to clip it for it to be shorter for here. So here goes the video.
Love triangle, that's how we are started today.
China was tiger.
Turn it up.
Kylie Jenner used fear. Pum Pum. Take where tiger from China. Pum Pum. So run it, man.
That's how we are started today. We are start with the Pum Pum song today. So you can see the problem. Let me wet up my voice because we have a lot to talk about. Run song. This is my selector. She's here with me today. DJ Tayeri.
China was tiger.
Pum Pum. Kylie Jenner used fear. Pum Pum.
Take where tiger
From China, Pum Pum. So China does give Kylie brother Pum Pum. Them say me love sing about me Pum Pum. So I have to play about that part here. Them say me love sing about me Pum. I got a classy Pum Pum. Me pat me Pum. My man right here, he love me Pum. That's all. Let me talk to you real good and real quick because this is going to be a long night. If you don't want to go intermission for grab on a popcorn, grab on a popcorn. Yeah. We're not going to need popcorn in this. This is DJ Tayeri. She's going to be our DJ for tonight. We have some selections here. DJ, you ready for the track?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let me wet my throat again. It has been brought to my attention that some pussy wall out there have been tagging my name and calling my name and saying I love to sing about Pum Pum and the only thing I sing about is Pum Pum. Now all I have to say to anybody out there who keep on telling lies on me, say it's pure Pum Pum song I sing, keep my motherfucking name out your mouth.
Because you're different.
We shot the same clothes from the same place.
We got the same pretty face, same small waist. Maybe the same man, we got the same taste, the same long hair.
We got the same lace.
Same body we cock up, we got the same shape. Right, that's for my selector. But we go down in it. It has been brought to my attention, so some pussy wall out there has been tagging my name and saying I only sing Pum Pum song. Today and tonight we're gonna put an end to it right here. We want to change the narrative. Let it be known out there across the world, anywhere on a bumbleclad stand up right now, that is not me love to sing Pum Pum song. It's no love when I sing the Pum Pum song.
And listen to it.
Because when I sing the other types of song, you not listen to them or you not like them. So let us change the narrative. Me a gonna catalog a song we don't even know about, we don't sing, we don't tag me in a daytime, we don't dance to. But we start it. Go on. 1998.
Tell me this and then tell me about that.
And me not
bring where me phone and that's where me beep up. You know stop bring me up, me a go black.
1998. Hold on. Oh, that is how Spice started out. That was 1998. Now go down in night again. Select and stay too far. Run the next track because it's gonna be a long night. So we have to skip through. That was one song, no Pum Pum no night. That was 1998 when we start out. Very nice and cute. Me not like that. You just call me on my phone and tell me, say me don't stop. You never want to hear that blood clot then. You never want to hear that. Play something else. Hold on, and I saw Miss DJ. You not do it good. Hold on, you not understand. Hold on. We have to tell them the song them. Alright. You must say I select and dance, you dance, you know. You have to tell them which song I'm going to play. But we can intro it.
Okay, we're going to be playing Spice No Matter
No Matter What. Alright, you see that song you know? It named No Matter What. This is how Grace Hamilton started out. This was from, I don't remember the year, but we are going in the days. I'm better you don't remember them song. Play the song.
And now,
the female DJ of the year.
My father died when I was 9, leaving 5 of us behind. I watched mama struggle to put on a pot, lot of clothes and shoes I really never got, but I never make that bother me much. Coming out of the ghetto have to make it and such. Promise myself to make it to the top. People try to pull me back, I can hear them at the selector. Pull up my selector. Pull up. Wheel. Hold it right there, so. Wanna love Vibe Cartel, I wanna love Spice, right? Alright. Put in Spice and Vibes Cartel. Let me see what come up. We're gonna type Spice and Vibes Cartel and we're gonna see what come up. Come closer. Where you see come up?
Spice and Vibes Cartel.
Conjugal visit. How much views?
89 million views.
89 million views. Conjugal visits. Spice and Vibes Cartel ramping shop. Over 20 odd million views. That is what I'm playing. Cause me tell you, say tonight, me I play some song when I have nothing to do with Pum Pum. What you don't know, and you don't talk about, but you make the narrative look like I be a Pum Pum song and I be a slack song me do. So I'm gonna play the song them you don't want to talk about, cause I don't want to hear those type of songs. And then you put the blame on me and say me now sing certain type of song. And a ramping shop me I look for. Play with me I look for with Spice and Vibes Cartel.
John was Spice.
Society no see the ghetto, use the cry. So me turn
God bless.
to the hills and look
Bye,
up
bye,
to the
Oscar.
sky.
Una play that? Una playing those songs down there? Do you know that song? Una know that? No. Una know Rampage. You know why me I skip through the song them fast? Cause me have a big catalog for you to listen to. I don't want the life cut off without you hear how much song me I go play. Una count how much song that we reach. Hold on there now. Me I skip fast because I have so much song. We have nothing to do with Pum Pum, but we're not playing them. We're not talking about them. Them now bust because I don't want to hear those songs. Yep. So stop say Spice don't sing those songs. Say I don't like those songs. Who this? Pull up. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Come here, let me talk to you because you're young. So you don't understand. This is a legend you are going to play. So when you have to talk on the mic. Where the mic? I don't know. You have to go for those faces and laces microphone girl. You're crazy. You have to talk on the mic. You're selector.
I apologize about that.
Yeah, man. Intro the song properly when the people them know what I go and selector.
Come down. We're talking about Spice and Jimmy Cliff. I want, I do, I get. You know, if we really top one more time and big up the great Jimmy Cliff.
You hear what the girl say?
Big song.
Call the man name again. Call the man
Jimmy Cliff.
Jimmy Cliff. Legendary Jimmy Cliff. This is not no joke thing. When you talk about you don't know them song, you're not going to know it tonight. Play Jimmy Cliff and Spice. Turn it up.
Then know you can get.
Remember you're a dancer.
Oh, sorry.
You can't whine. You're a DJ. You're a DJ, no Pum Pum. And you many people that say I be a Pum Pum song. See what I tell you, you're ready for wine. This is a classic.
Sorry.
You have to do so like you're Bill Weed.
Yeah.
And do some look of shrubble-do-ro.
Yeah.
Some look of shrubba-dubba-deng. And
some, yeah.
you need them to catch fire and look of skanking.
Yeah.
And a whining style now.
I like it.
Pull up the song and play it again. Spice and Jimmy Cliff. Una Rampo. Anything you want, me know you can get. I want, I do, I get. I want, I do, I get. I'll play more of this. But I just want you guys to know and remember, when I was nice little Gracie, and I was speaking proper English, and I was saying, I want, I do, I get. I want, I do, I get. You never want blood clot hear that. You never want to hear it. You don't know this song. You never listen to it. And when me come out and say, me not say it because we're not talking about that tonight. Here what DJ. You see the next song where you go play? More you find somebody to introduce it.
Yes.
More you find somebody to introduce the next song. Because people from Jamaica say me no sing certain song. So we're going to find somebody who is not even from Jamaica who knows certain song.
Yes. Cardi B.
For sure you say it's always your own people will fight you down. Who you going to find, DJ?
Cardi B.
I don't understand that you really inspired me. Like, I used to wear the earrings and I got them way back. I'm not like these new ones. You want to press, but they're not, and they be pink. But this one,
selector. This is DJ Tayeri.
I come from way back. I'm not like these new ones. We want to put it on and they be seen.
What did she say, selector?
Want a man to put it on and make me feel
She said from rude boy love. And she said, I want a man to put it on and make me feel it. That was Cardi B.
She just remixed the song.
She don't come from Jamaica. Pull up. Cardi B don't come from Jamaica, but you hear what she said when she meet me? She said, I go from way back. From rude boy love to fight over man. And then she said, I want a man to put it on and make me feel it. She's not from Jamaica. But uno bamba all way down there. Uno down there. Uno know this? Uno listen to this? Uno know them a song ya? Uno talk about them ya? No. Uno sit down for me name and come talk about. I play a Pum Pum song she sing. Louder tell. Play a song. Move for the blood clot.
so hard to
Uno
find.
know them song ya?
And some peace of mind.
I want a boy love. Rude boy love. A man will make the rude girl blush. Play it from top. That was another legend.
Searching but it's so hard to find.
Pinchas the bandolero.
Peace of mind. I want
Pinchas bandolero, big up yourself anyway there. Cause when me had the on tour of England, my laugh till me nearly cry. I had the opportunity to grace myself with so many legends within reggae music and dancehall. Search my history before you open your mouth and talk fuckery. Play a song. Big up Cardi B. Every time she talk about a reggae song, she sing this song. She sing this song. So big up to Cardi B. And some other people who are down Jamaica, like me say, make sure you study and know the history. That was Pinchas the bandolero. Come in, me selector. Where you go for now?
yes, hold on.
No Pum Pum song now play tonight. No Pum Pum song now play tonight. This is some song one overlook. This is some spice one now play. This is some spice one now listen to. And then you make it look like me I sing Pum Pum song. No. When you type again, when you use the finger and type on Instagram, make sure you type the right thing. Say, we love the Pum Pum song them from Spice. Don't make it look like me I sing their Pum Pum songs. That's not true.
It's not true.
It's not true. Fine song.
We would like to introduce Spice, Baby, I Love You.
Rocha! Rocha! No man, make it clear.
No.
Oh, you don't want the advertisement? Alright, me DJ. Yeah, man, me DJ. Shall I draw down the advertisement? I eat and I go work. I go put on the AC.
And I'm reserved.
Run!
Sit down and watch me and the chat.
Wanna play this? Wanna play this? Wanna know this? Pull up that. Pull up. Wanna give me fans them L. Pull up. Let's stop it. Wanna give all of my fans them L down at Jamaica. I'm tired to see my fans them argue with you and a cuss. I'm tired to see my fans them pan line and after prove themselves too, no. I'm tired of it. Big up the whole of my real fans them out there when know my catalog and know what I go on. Spice QOD, big up yourself. The Spice Shade Room, big up yourself. Spice Official Memes, big up yourself. Spice Gang 1, big up yourself. Spice Gang, big up yourself. Spice Updates, big up yourself. Spice Official Gang, big up yourself. Then _ official, big up yourself. Good Body Kem, big up yourself. Gracie _ spicy, big up yourself. The one of my fans them will have page if me left you out and forget a name. Big up on yourself, because I'm tired for soon and argue online for prove a point. Run through. Give me a next song, my selector. Because I don't want the time run out, the catalog too big. I want to skip through them and go fast. Share me a share tonight, you know. You don't know them song, yeah? Myself, you don't know them song, yeah? You don't know play them? You don't talk about them? I don't want to hear the Pum Pum song, them. Play a song. Hold on, no. Hold a song, yeah? We have to introduce this song. When Jamaica, we had a prime minister from Jamaica a few years ago. You have to see with the DJ, she don't really understand how to use
no,
the
I don't understand. When you have them type of something, them something different.
Different category. A different category.
Yeah, different category for you. No, I don't understand.
But you come and work with on selector, you don't know if it's DJ.
Can't DJ with them type of something where confuse me all over the place.
Jesus Christ, the way you do me, I know if you come back and it's something for shit. Jesus Christ.
Sit down. I got it.
Alright, so when Jamaica had a female prime minister, I happened to write a letter to the prime minister of Jamaica. The letter that I wrote to the prime minister, I was begging her to kind of ease up poor people. Right? Because at the time in Jamaica, you know, me hate to see when police are take up poor people stuff off of the street when them are hustle and them are bustle. So big up to Honorable Portia Simpson Miller. I don't know if she got my letter. But I wrote a letter to the past Prime Minister of Jamaica. At the time, it was Honorable Portia Simpson Miller. I don't know if she got the letter. Richie Feelings cuss me every day. Say, move and go and write letter to Portia. She don't answer. But this one is called Dear Honorable. Run through. No, not play them song, yeah? We don't know them.
Simpson Miller, dear Honorable Simpson Miller.
Watch Spice and write letter.
Please, I hope you read this letter. I'm writing on behalf of my country to tell you that we're glad just to have you as our mother.
But I have so much to say.
I hope and I pray you won't take it in the wrong way.
But have you ever gone downtown? When me soon I kill up on myself and I tag me. You know from when me write them letter, yeah? You know from when me I talk about them something, yeah? You know from when me I talk about tax and gas price and toll? You know from when me I sing about them something, yeah? Wanna play them? Wanna pay them no mind? It paper ready down there? Leave me the fuck alone! Leave me alone. Play something else, me selector, because we not stay long.
Better.
Selector take off the advertisement off of the something them. We not playing them. We don't know them song, yeah? You hear me play one Pum Pum song yet? We're going 36 minutes. And my catalog not start yet.
That one day, black women will start supporting each other rather than bashing each other. Ladies,
My fans, tag the dirty boy we tag me what day ya. And say I be a Pum Pum song me sing. What him name? I don't know what him name. Tag him dirty blood clot over here. Make sure him over here. Him say one go live with me. Nastiness. What him name? Tag him. Cause me tell you if you tag all me enemy them where I chat up them out. Tag the dirty boy and the dirty girl. The stinking mouth girl. Where what day you share tag me and I call up me name. Tag our dirty blood clot. Make me and I go live. I fame them want, you know. So make we give them look a fame and look a highlight. Tag them over here. The stinking mouth girl and the dirty boy. Tag them over here since as them want go live. Dirty germs. Skirmish. Dirty man. Come over here. So you say you want go live. Make we go live.
that coming.
Me burn racism, demolish colorism. Cause the things when me I go say you might not even like me. I get hate from my own race. Yes, that's a fact. So could no matter. And go from there. Go. Dirty people, stop calling me name. When we do good nice song, we're not playing them. Not wait. Oh, you have moved so fast. Should you have only pass out to play? Should you have only pass out to play? We are going to talk to the people them.
Your phone never did.
Me tired of you come off of my neck. Lift up off of my neck.
Ease up.
Leg on my throat. Make me breathe. Stop stifling me. I get hate from my own race. Yes, that's a fact. The same black people, them say I'm too black. Move and work from there. Please again. The dirty man what there you when tag me in my bed asleep. And you know when you dey on Instagram and you get a tag, you click on the kite, come to your phone. When me click on it, sitting and go over there, and me want the bumble whole tag, and me alone in tag.
Yeah.
If I talk about dancehall or reggae, and me alone in tag, if not tag nobody else. No. Go from there and come on. Who does a crowd chase off and me alone? Oh, you talk about reggae and dancehall and just attack me alone. And me alone I carry the whole hand upon my back. Leg on me blouse. Play next song. Now play the Pum Pum song. 1 hour me I go with you know. I'm gonna reach half of my catalog. Una play this? Una know this?
Oh my God.
Una play them song down there?
You ready?
What is now?
This is Mad Cobra. That's the one.
What? No, put on that, no. No, that's that. Wait, no. That's how when you go in at the dancehall song when I have nothing for Pum Pum. We still in at the reggae. Hold on. Maybe we stay at the reggae first.
Yeah.
But we stay. But we go for some hold on. Or you want to get hold on? Hold on, no man.
Yeah, too much of go on, yes, sir.
So you ready for go dancehall already?
Yeah. But because but the Pum Pum not talk about tonight, so it's still good. The Pum Pum not talk about it. I'm bubbling.
No, I don't want that. We don't. That's for one next day. Because I have only for other dancehall song when I have nothing to do with Pum Pum. Wanna still act like every song we say Pum Pum. So that's for one next catalog. But we play some other song. How watch ya?
Yeah, no more. No.
Give me capture. Oh, alright, we'll give them a couple of dancehall songs in the last when I have nothing to do with Pum Pum. Since I said that you work, you just want to whine. Me tell you say you're a dancer, you're a DJ. We'll give them a couple of more. For those of you on the Instagram live who don't know what's going on. Like I said, there's a few little people out there who make it look like a pure Pum Pum song me sing about. But that's not true. What is true is that I do a lot of songs. I show my versatility. But me and now what a reason. And I call my fans my best friends because me believe, say, not because you are a fan. If me wrong, you can say, Spice, you're wrong.
Which is right.
If a true me attack, you must can say, Spice, a true you attack.
Yeah.
If you is a vendor, and you sell apple, and you sell orange, and the apple, I sell more than the orange, what you gonna do?
Stop selling. Stop selling. What you gonna do?
Let me ask the question again. Me say, if you is a vendor,
yes,
and you sell two things,
yes,
you sell apple, and you sell orange, and the apple I sell more than the orange, what you going to do?
Get more apple for sell more apple.
Me wait for you.